Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shrimatre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Narayaniyam, Dashakam 17. Dhruva Charitram. Dashakam 17 will be chanted in Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Shloka 1. Hey Guruvairappa, King Uttanapada, son of Swayambhuva Manu, had two wives. The first wife, Suruchi, who was very beloved to him, and the second wife named Suniti, who was neglected by him. Suniti had therefore taken Sharanagati to you, Krishna. Uttanapada nripatir manunandanasya Jaya babhuva suruchirnitaram abhishtam Anya sunitiriti bhartur anadrutasa Tvameva nityamagatis sharanam katabhut Uttanapada nripatir manunandanasya Jaya babhuva suruchirnitaram abhishtam Anya sunitiriti bhartur anadrutasa Tvameva nityamagadis sharanam gadabhut. Shloka 2. Krishna, Suruchi's son was Uttama and Suniti's son was Dhruva. One day, Uttama was sitting on his father's lap. That is Uttanapada's lap. Seeing this, Dhruva also wanted to sit like him but was scolded severely by Suruchi from jealousy, an undesirable trait which cannot be overcome by those not devoted to you, Krishna. Anke pitu suruchi putrakam uttamam tam drishtva dhruva kila suniti sutodhirokshan achikshipe kila shisu sutaram suruchya Dussantyaja khalu bhavat vimukai asuyam Anke pitu suruchi putrakam uttamam tam Drishtva dhruva kila suniti sutodhirokshan Achikshipe kila shishu sutaram suruchya Dussantyaja khalu bhavat vimukair asuyam. Shloka 3. Hey Parandama, even while the father, under the infatuation of his wife Suruchi and your Maya, was watching this, Dhruva was deeply hurt by the hard words of Suruchi and went to his mother. She advised him to get hold of your feet to cross over one's actions of the past, Krishna. Tvanmohite pitari pashyati daravashye duram durukti nihatas sagato nijambam sapisvakarma gati santaranaya pumsam Tvatpadameva sharanam shishave shashamsam Tvanmohite pitari pashyati daravashye Duram durukti nihatas sagato nijambam Sapisvakarma gati santaranaya pumsam Tvatpadameva sharanam shishave shashamsam. Shloka 4. Narayana, Dhruva, on the advice of his mother, though only 5 years of age, was highly inspired by self-respect, determined to worship you, Madhava, and went to forest. Fortunately, he met sage Narada, who gave him your mantra japa and mantra and the procedures of worship. Then he became engrossed in austerities, invoking you in the Madhuvana forest, Krishna. आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा माणिनिरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दृष्टनारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गः त्वाम् आरराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते आकर्ण्यसोऽपि भवदर्चन निश्चितात्मा माणिनिरेत्य नगरात् किल पञ्चवर्षः सन्दृष्टनारद निवेदित मन्त्रमार्गत्वाम् आरराध तपसा मधुकाननान्ते. Shloka 5. Hey Krishna, Dhruva's father who repented but was consoled by Narada, who went to the city. The boy dedicated wholly to your devotion and fixed his mind on you, and gradually hardened the severity of his penance for 5 months. ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमणाक्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान् ताते विषण्ण हृदये नगरीं गतेन श्रीनारदेन परिसान्त्वित चित्तवृत्तौ बालस्त्वदर्पितमणाक्रमवर्धितेन निन्ये कठोर तपसा किल पञ्चमासान्. Shloka 6. Hey Madhusudana, all the directions became suffocated for breath due to the power of Dhruva's penance. The Devas begged to you for relief from such condition. You showed compassion. You gave a vision seated on Garuda to Dhruva, who was immersed in the experience of supreme conscious bliss of your form. तावत्तपो बलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्थितस्त्वमुदयत् करुणाद्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचित्रसनिलीनमते पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडाधिरूढः तावत्तपो बलनिरुच्छ्वसिते दिगन्ते देवार्थितस्त्वमुदयत् करुणाद्रचेताः त्वद्रूपचित्रसनिलीनमते पुरस्तात् आविर्बभूवित विभो गरुडाधिरूढः सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद. Shloka 7. Krishna, Dhruva became overwhelmed by seeing you and got immersed in the wave of bliss. His eyes were submerged in nectar. He wanted to sing in praise of you to please you. Realizing his incapability of finding words, you touched his cheek with great affection with your conch, Krishna. त्वद्दर्शन प्रमद भारतरङ्गितं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायने ते तुष्टूषमानमवगम्य कपोलदेशे सम्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण त्वद्दर्शन प्रमद भारतरङ्गितं तं दृग्भ्यां निमग्नमिव रूपरसायने ते तुष्टूषमानम् अवगम्य कपोलदेशे सम्पृष्टवानसि दरेण तथा दरेण. Shloka 8. Hey Krishna, Dhruva then sang your praise abundantly and beautifully and enlightened pure knowledge. Understanding his inner feelings, you blessed him that he would enjoy his kingdom for a long time and then again return to the highest of all states, an eternal state with no return to lower state. Krishna. तावत् विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषतास्त्वमवगम्य तदीयभावम् राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम् तावत् विबोध विमलं प्रणुवन्तमेनम् आभाषतास्त्वमवगम्य तदीयभावम् राज्यं चिरं समनुभूय भजस्व भूयः सर्वोत्तरं ध्रुवपदं विनिवृत्तिहीनम्. Shloka 9. Hey Madhava, after you disappeared, Dhruva came back to town, delighting all people. His father went to forest, taking over administration of kingdom. Dhruva ruled by your grace and lived happily for a long time. Ityuchishi tvayi gate nripanandanoऽसौ आनन्दिताखिल जनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामत्ताते गते च वनमादृतराजभारः इत्यूचिषे त्वयि गते नृपनन्दनोऽसौ आनन्दिताखिल जनो नगरीमुपेतः रेमे चिरं भवदनुग्रह पूर्णकामत्ताते गते च वनमादृतराजभारः. Shloka 10. Krishna, when Dhruva's brother Uttama was killed by a yaksha, Dhruva declared a war on yakshas, but stopped it at the instance of Swayambhuva Manu, his father. By this peaceful nature of Dhruva, Kubera, the lord of wealth, and who is the leader of yakshas, was pleased and offered to confer a boon to Dhruva. But Dhruva only requested for a firm devotion to you, Krishna. यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः स युद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्न हृदयात् धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन्महात्मा यक्षेण देव निहते पुनरुत्तमेऽस्मिन् यक्षैः सयुद्धनिरतो विरतो मनुक्त्या शान्त्या प्रसन्नहृदयात् धनदादुपेतात् त्वद्भक्तिमेव सुदृढाम् अवृणोन्महात्मा. Shloka 11. Hey Krishna, Guruvayurappa, at the end, Dhruva took his mother, reached the orbit of Dhruva of eternal state, using the divine vehicle brought by your people. Guruvayurappa, you are so keen on protecting those who are devoted to you by service, and hence, please be gracious enough to me also and remedy all my ails, Krishna. अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीतविमानयातो मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितो यमास्ते. एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालनलोलधिस्त्वं वातालयाधिपनिरुन्धि ममामयौघान्. अन्ते भवत्पुरुषनीतविमानयातो मात्रा समं ध्रुवपदे मुदितो यमास्ते. एवं स्वभृत्य जनपालनलोलधिस्त्वं वातालयाधिपनिरुन्धि ममामयौघान्. सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम. गोविंद गोविंद. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.